Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. I recently got a comment of someone with a dirt bike that the engine screams really high RPM when starting it without twisting the throttle. So you kick it, scrambling, trying to shut off the engine even though you're not even touching the throttle. What could be causing that? Well, there's a couple things that come to mind. First of all, you need to check the throttle. Make sure it's not sticking. Sometimes if you tip over, there can get dirt jammed in the throttle tube, causing it to stick. Or if there's dirt or just the cable is really old, that can stick in that plastic housing. So you want to test the throttle, give it a flick, and make sure that the throttle slide in the carburetor goes all the way back down and shuts. Because if that's sticking open at all, even just a little bit, that's going to cause the RPM to scream really high right when you start it. Number two common reason is an air leak. This is when the carb or the engine is sucking in too much air. There are a variety of things that can cause it, but the most common ones are loose carb clamps, the carb isn't seated all the way, or there's cracks in the intake boot because that rubber, as it gets older, it gets harder, it starts to crack. And you can even test this, at least when the engine is idling properly or close to it. You can spray something flammable like some brake cleaner around the intake, and if the idle changes, then you got an air leak. But just go around your carburetor, make sure that the clamps are tight, make sure that the carb is properly seated in the intake manifold and the air boot all the way around, and then wiggle it around, check for cracks in it. And if that's okay, then you might need to start tearing into your carb to see where an air leak might be happening. And if you have a two-stroke that's getting kind of old, there's a chance that the crankcase seals could be leaking air in them. And if you want to keep your two-stroke as reliable as possible, you should check out my video here on the 3 mistakes that kill the reliability of a two-stroke dirt bike. I'm Kelly from MXHideout. Ride safe. Have fun.